guys, and welcome to another Top Table Wargaming YouTube video. This is a review video, and I'm going to be reviewing something pretty special. Well, I think is pretty special anyway, and I hope that you guys agree. The reason I'm doing this review is because, as a lot of you know, I run the Scouring of Cheshire, which is a Hobbit SPG tournament as part of the GBHL League, and I like to think that my tournaments have a little bit something else that will draw people to buy tickets and attend, and sort of for me, when I see people spending their hard-earned cash on the tickets, travelling, hotels, etc., I feel that they should get something back, or there should be a good draw, there should be a good reason for them to spend their money. So my tournaments, I like to think, I've got a little bit of a reputation for the prizes. The prizes are always really cool. I'm a big fan of wet statues and things like that. But also I've started to branch out into different things. I did a Hot Toys Aragon, which was quite rare in the raffle last year, which I really didn't want to let go of, but I had to because it was amazing. And I've started to sort of fish around. Now I've seen the item that I'm going to be reviewing, which I'll show you in a second. I've seen it on the internet, and I got in contact with the person who basically manufactured it, but it was handmade, cast in resin, and I just thought it looked amazing. It's got a link to Brie. A few of you will know I've got a bit of a soft spot for Brie. I really like the scenes from the movies in Brie. Prancing Pony is very iconic for me. And the person that I'm talking about is a lady called Steph Tynan. Now Steph Tynan has got her own company called BlueFox Props. She's got a Facebook page, so check it out, BlueFox Props. She's also got a shop on Etsy, so check that out. And she, as the name sort of gives away, she makes movie props, or replica movie props, more to the point. I seen a sign for the Prancing Pony, and I thought that looks amazing. That would be fantastic as a prize at one of my tournaments, because it's something of the like we've not seen before. It's something different, and it just looks really cool, and I wanted one. So I got in touch, and we had a bit of a chat, and I got one, and it's over here. And here it is. It's about a third scale. Obviously a real pub sign would be huge, but how cool is that? I'm not sure how well it's shown up on camera. What I'll do is I'll give it some close-ups, sort of as I'm talking. I'll film some close-ups off this thing and edit it in somewhere. But look at that, that is fantastic. This is going to sit on the wall outside my man cave, because I'm blown away by this. It's all hand painted, it's made from resin, and the way she made this is she made it out of clay first on a flat surface, made a silicone cast it in resin, and then hand painted it, and as you can see the paint job is fantastic. So the reason I'm doing this review video is because I said that I would, and I just wanted to show it off basically. Steph's done an amazing job, so if any of you guys like me are TOs, or even if you're not a TO, you just want something like this for your house or your man cave or your bedroom, or you know, whatever, get in touch with Steph, let her know where you've seen the video, and yeah, she does amazing work. It's fantastic. I am gonna definitely be ordering more stuff from Steph. I want the matching sign, which is for the green dragon, and they're just going to look awesome. And also in the near future, something like this could be in the prize pool for Scouring of Cheshire. So I'm going to show you some close-ups, and yeah, I mean, look at it. How is that not cool? It looks like a really weathered wooden sign with all the little rivet heads and nail heads in it, which is cool. And it was funny, it was only when I went on the Facebook page and had a look back through her work in progress pics that the rivet heads, or the nail heads, are them little plastic googly eyes that you get from like hobby centres and stuff, which I found quite amusing. But I've worked really well, obviously come out in the cast with the rounded heads to look like rivet heads, and they look awesome. She's really captured almost like for like what the sign looks like in the movies, and again, I've said it before, it's really iconic, and I just think that something like that, you know, and other stuff, I'm going to get in touch with her. She's actually working on a high elf helmet as we speak. So get over to the Facebook page and check that out, and by all means get in touch with Steph. She's really approachable. She's been great throughout all the time that we've been talking, and she does fantastic work. So get over to the Facebook page, give it a like, get in touch with her if you're interested in anything that she does, and yeah, support her, because I'm hoping that I'm going to get some more Steph stuff in and around the GBHL League in prizes. So thanks for watching, guys. Keep on gaming, and I'll see you all soon.